Have you ever felt that politics is just for the old and the wealthy? Or that the system is too big and too broken for one person to ever truly change it? There is a fresh, powerful wave of young, energetic politicians rising in America right now, and one name stands out as a perfect example of this change: Zohran Mamdani, whose personal story is a key that unlocks the whole mystery of why American democracy is suddenly shifting its direction. And if you stay until the very end of this video, you will learn the one crucial lesson from his journey that you can apply to your own life to create change in your community, no matter how small you feel. Hello and welcome to our channel. It is a pleasure to have you with us today for this deep exploration into modern political transformation. Before we dive into Zohran's inspiring story, I want to emphasize that listening to this detailed narrative is a wonderful chance for you to sharpen your English skills, as I will be using simple, clear, and everyday words, making this a relaxed yet powerful way to learn the language through engaging and human-centered storytelling. The rise of Zohran Mamdani is not just a local victory in New York. It is a symbol of a massive, quiet shift happening across the United States, representing a generation that is tired of the old way of doing things. His personal journey is fascinating, starting far from the political spotlight. Zohran was born in Uganda, a country with a rich, complicated history, and he is the son of celebrated intellectuals, meaning his childhood was filled with discussions about justice, history, and social issues, experiences that planted the early seeds of his political awakening. He spent time living in different parts of the world, gaining a global perspective that few American politicians possess, which is crucial in today's interconnected world. Before he became known as a politician, Zohran was deeply involved in the arts, specifically as a hip-hop artist under the name Mr. Cardamom, an unusual but powerful background for a future lawmaker, as it gave him a unique voice and the ability to connect with diverse communities and express complex ideas simply and rhythmically. This artistic life was not a distraction. It was his training ground for communicating the pain and potential of everyday people. His lyrics often spoke about inequality, identity, and the struggles of immigrant families, themes that later became central to his political platform. However, his focus soon shifted from the stage to the streets of Astoria, Queens, a diverse, working-class neighborhood in New York City that became the heart of his political fight. He saw firsthand the struggles of his neighbors: rising rents, failing public services, and the crippling weight of student debt, and he decided that the existing political system was not listening. This decision marked his formal entry into politics, not as a careerist, but as an activist determined to serve the working class. His political rise was nothing but easy. He challenged a long-time established Democratic incumbent in the New York State Assembly, a feat that many thought was impossible. Zohran didn't rely on big money or traditional political machinery. Instead, he built a grassroots movement, talking directly to people on the subway, in the grocery stores, and outside their doors. He focused on issues that mattered most to them, like universal health care, housing as a human right, and environmental justice. His campaign was powered by volunteers, young people, and ordinary citizens who believed in his vision. When he won, it was a major shockwave, signaling that voters, especially young and working-class people, were ready to reject moderate, corporate-backed politicians in favor of truly progressive, often socialist-leaning candidates. His victory was not just about one seat in the assembly. It was about proving that authenticity, courage, and grassroots organizing could defeat money and power. The significance of Zohran's success and the success of others like him for American politics is huge. These young, energetic politicians are introducing entirely new ideas into the system, ideas like Green New Deal legislation at the state level, demanding massive investment in public housing, and pushing for policies that heavily tax the wealthy to fund social programs. They bring a level of passion, moral clarity, and urgency that was missing, forcing the entire political conversation to move to the left. Their emergence is slowly changing who gets to be a politician, showing that you don't need to come from a powerful traditional political family to win. You need integrity, strong principles, and a deep connection to the suffering of the majority. The importance of the rise of these young, energetic leaders cannot be overstated, as they are the future architects of American policy. They are bringing a commitment to addressing climate change, income inequality, and racial injustice head-on, issues that the older generation often postponed or ignored. They are making politics vibrant, accessible, and exciting again, drawing in young voters who previously felt disconnected. Their presence is not just a challenge to the established political parties, but a promise that democracy can still be shaped by passionate, principled citizens who are dedicated to fundamental systemic change. Zohran's journey shows that politics can be reclaimed by ordinary people and that leadership can come from unexpected places. His story also highlights the importance of immigrant voices in American politics. As someone born outside the United States, Zohran represents millions of immigrants who contribute to the country's culture, economy, and future. His success proves that American democracy is strongest when it includes diverse perspectives and experiences. And here is the open question, the core lesson I promised. How did a hip-hop artist with no traditional political backing defeat a powerful incumbent? The answer lies in his commitment to relentless, direct conversation. Zohran did not spend his time only on big fundraising events. He spent it talking to thousands of individual voters, hearing their pain, and making their problems his platform, proving that authenticity is the new power in politics. If you want to see change in your world, you must be willing to do the hard work of listening and talking directly to the people around you, because that is where true movements begin. His journey is proof that courage, persistence, and honesty can break even the strongest walls of the political system. If you enjoyed this detailed look into the new face of American politics and want more fascinating, world-changing lessons like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below telling me which young political leader from your country inspires you the most, because we love hearing your thoughts and connecting with you.